hang a red line and a blue line on the middle line. Tie a two-way flat knot with the red line. Do not pull it tightly first. Then the two blue lines pass under the red line at the same time. Then pull out from the middle of the middle line upwards. Then pass through the red wire on each side. Then tighten the four lines at the same time. Next, still use the red wire to tie a two-way flat knot. Keep repeating the above steps. Knit to the length that suits you. Knit to this length. Leave the middle two threads. Cut off the rest of the thread and burn it to make it stick. Cross the two ends of the threads over. Tie a two-way flat knot to close it. After the end, a beautiful bracelet is finished. Did you learn it? Thanks for watching.